our guest of honor, Miss Meera Ora and Mr. Balkishan and Mr. Alok, who have taken their precious time out to grace the occasion today. Also, I would like to welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Miss Sarita, our Surya Sir's mother, and last but not least, our parents, grandparents, and who all present here, including my lovely buddies. I welcome you all for our first annual day celebration of Little Millennium School Nasrocket. Little Millennium has a well-researched, award-winning and scientifically developed curriculum that focuses on holistic development of every child through play activities and collaborative group work. The curriculum aims at providing children with a solid academic foundation by implementing a multi-sensory integrated approach to education. Little Million has been at the forefront of bringing innovative products in the early childcare space in India. Over the years, we have won numerous awards, including the most recently won Best National Child for Innovation in Childhood Education at the Indian Education Awards 2013. Every day we wake up to a new commitment. We should never be afraid to being with a new thought or a new resolution, as it opens our mind, our souls, to make the place a better world for tomorrow. Well, today we have a lot of surprises for the beautiful audience present here. So this evening, let us turn our thoughts, mind and attention towards the stage where our young performers are presenting before you some basic habits, values that they can learn as young as 1 year old, can help in laying the foundation of the responsible global citizen. Remember the time you told your little one, eat healthy food, don't waste, finish your food, switch off the lights or fans when you leave the room. Shut the water tap. Please put on your hands together in welcoming our chief guest, Miss Meera Ora, Mr. Balkishan and Mr. Alok sir. We are honored to have you with us today. Once again welcoming all the parents, grandparents with a huge round of applause, a cheerful applause for the teachers and children performing on the stage for the annual day. Without further delay, let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening we are here to train our thoughts, mind and pay attention towards this stage. We will give you an array of visual delight as we transform you into the world of our very own sustainable development goals. This journey is to take you through the future that will be by the year 2030. Before we start our evening, let's welcome our teachers to show gratitude to God and invoke His divine grace for the opportunity given to us. Let's welcome our teachers for their performance.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गणेशाय धीमहि मूढगुल्फाय गन्धवत्ताय जयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि सर्वराजाय दत्ताय सर्वगानश्रवणप्रणयिने गुणवते एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Ma'am, please. Manager, he has been a strong support and provided with tremendous creative marketing strategies and valuable feedback as and when needed. Dear audience, put your hands together for Mr. Balkishan, our marketing manager for AP and Telangana. Sir, please. He has established 100 plus preschools in South and East zones. He holds an expertise in building customer relationship and effective in defining the clear picture of preschool industry. In each and every aspect, our chairman and Surya sir's mother, Miss Sarita. I request you, ma'am. And our academic first admissions who have written for us, and Jansi, the RTF student of Kritik. Please come on to the dance. We're starting with your grateful hand. We have got up to 78 admissions this year. So thank you, ma'am. Come on, Anshu.
Madam, snap, snap. One step, snap. Madam, madam.
I request Surya sir once come on to the desk.
गम 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 गणपति गुणपति गजानन
Take your seat, ma'am.
There is no Josh. Good evening, parents. Now, little Josh, little louder. Good evening. Okay. So I can see some. First of all, welcome to the first annual day celebrations of Little Millennium Narsarao Pet. So I can see some parents, some grandparents, some first time parents, some second time parents. You're feeling father here. Sir?
Very good.
Very good. Okay. So let me choose one grandmother. Am feeling Leda? Happy? Happy? Great. So now let me come to one more. Ma'am. 3 years old, 4 years old, and 5 years old. Standing on the stage is in itself a big achievement. Remember? Please raise your hands. Who was on stage? Okay. Standing on the stage itself is a great achievement. Okay? And the most important thing, don't wave to your children. Because the moment you wave, their attention is towards you. So stay where you are. If you want to click videos of your children, sit and click. Zoom. But please don't come near. Are you listening to me? Nobody is listening, actually. They're all excited to see their children on the stage. And they are feeling by this woman is so much. We will not come near the that yes, I did not hear. We will not come near the okay. We will not wave at our children, not call out their names. Okay. Is crying. Don't go back home and scold your child. They put a lot of effort. Okay? So let's motivate them with our claps. So we are together in this, and this is our event. It's not just children or school's event, this is our event, and let's make it a success. So are you all ready? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you so much. So our theme for the annual day is Ikigai. Has anyone read the book Ikigai? Okay. Oh, great. Sir, would you like to throw some light on
About purpose. Your purpose. What is your purpose?
absolutely right? A round of applause for Sir. Ikigai is our purpose is to leave a planet which is a good one for the future generations. So UNESCO talks about 17 sustainable goals which we need to achieve by 2030. And today the children are going to showcase some of the goals which they will do it in their own beautiful, lovely way. Why education is important. Why life underwater is important. Why life on land is important. Practice at home. And you as parents have to help them. So without much ado, let's start. Ikigai, thy mission, sustainable goals. You can go to any website and check what are sustainable goals. And together, let's lead future generations, which is living. Thank you so much.
and to we gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what we gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say welcome all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration. It's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared. Celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
Big round of applause. Very good, very good. Thank you. Of goals and how our children are sharing this message to the community. Each goal is interlinked with the other. Now I call upon stage our RTF 1 student Anshu to take a pledge and promote sustainability.
Sustainability, sustainable development, ability to maintain, grow, and quality of my life, my education, and profession, experience, able. Thank you.
So much. Next, Anshu. Goals to be achieved. In India, particularly given the large population and its commitment to provide education for all. One of the main challenges is the quality of education, especially in the rural areas. The COVID-19 has further accelerated inequality to education, with millions of students being unable to attend school due to lack of access to digital learning resources. However, quality education in the form of schemes and national development programs is providing free and compulsory education for all. Now let us welcome woods, there is a rapture on the lonely shore. There is society where none introduced to the deep sea, and music in its roar. We love not nature more. The earth has music for those who listen. That is exactly what we need to leave behind for our little ones, and not that our little ones are not understanding this. Let's welcome this expression of love towards nature by the nature lovers. I welcome EW students to perform the next goal of Life on Land. Nirma.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी।
water. Did you know that 70% of the surface of our planet is oceans and they play a key role in supporting life on Earth? They are the most diverse and important ecosystem contributing to regulating the climate. The oceans are our planet's life support as they provide water, food and health, regulate the weather. But are we making sure to save our ocean or to protect ocean and creatures below water? Let us find out presenting before you the next performance of the day. Welcome them on the stage our RTF 1 students to perform the Life Below Water performance.
Tick 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 plastic tick ना पाए रे tick 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 कसम ये खाए रे tick 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 plastic tick ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जज्ब लेना हम तो हम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियाँ का जाएगा कि गर्द रहे धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं कैसा ये समाज है कल ना हो हाथों में आज है मौका ये अपना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो प्लास्टिक है सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक को हम कहते बाय बाय रे
Presenting before you our DR and EW students to perform the dance performance.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. We like to keep on jumping on the floor. Dancing to party hardly, but we born. We party 'cause we born apart. That's why I keep on, yes. That's why I keep on, yes. That's why I keep on doing, moving. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to body, body. We like to body, body. They like to body, body. We like to body. She like to shake it, shake it out. Somebody say yeah, say yeah, yeah. Back it up, 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 back it up. Body, body. We like to move it, move it. He like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. We like to keep on jumping on the floor, dancing till your feet is sore. Party hard just like it's Monty, 'cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard, and not because we bored. Yes, that's why I keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. We like to move it. I like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. We like it, yeah. Somebody say yeah, say yeah, yeah. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Give it a cut. We like to body, body. We like to body, body. We like to body, body. We like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it, move it.
also physically, spiritually. Good health and well-being and prevent mental disorders. This emphasizes health promotion and prevention measure, ensuring that everyone can access essential healthcare services. It further aims reduce maternal mortality and also equal parental deaths of newborn lives. I request now our RTF 1 kids are going to perform wonderful dance performance.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took me, shook me, killing me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brains. These birds send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, oh, your spirit up above. Oh, oh. Ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like.
Let us join hands to actively promote gender equality in our homes, in our workplaces, and in every aspect of our lives. Let us challenge gender stereotypes, support equal opportunities, and advocate for the rights of all genders. Remember, achieving gender equality is not just a moral obligation. It is a
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. You held me down, but I got up. Already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound. Like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're
committed teachers have the power to change the world by impacting the lives of children and how they learn. This is the heartbeat of Little Millennium. All teachers continue to teach, but the question is, do they continue to learn? Our purpose is to create a platform for learners, but only if it is working right. And for it to work right, it must be well led. This is why we created the Little Millennium Teacher Empowerment Program. It is a day-long training for making the foundation years count. It is an experience for passionate teachers who want to get better. It is intellectually rigorous, it is creatively inspiring, and it is unapologetically teacher-centric. Every year, Little Millennium conducts thousands of trainings for
here as a hidden quality, a skill that needs to be uncovered, it needs to be nurtured and fueled. The reason why we are in this early childhood space is
Focuses our goal quality education. Education restricted to only grades and score will not help achieve true success in life. It's more beyond grades. Let us modify and improve the quality of education, learning experience beyond levels of the classroom. Welcome on stage the lab performance of tonight, our RTF 1 children to perform.
टेंशन मत ले आ बोलो बेटा एक दो तीन चार पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं तू डरना क्या मेरे यार बोलो बेटा पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं ये क्लास कोई जेल नहीं तू पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं तू टेंशन मत ले यार इतनी तो कोई मुश्किल भी नहीं जितने हुए हो परेशान डर की जो खुली दुकान सर पे उठाया क्यों वेट किताबों का रख दो ना नीचे ये भार इतनी तो हल्की है तू डरना क्यों मेरे यार
Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. Our gratitude to all the parents and grandparents for all the support extended. This would have been possible with support. Cheerful thanks to all the kiddos for being such a wonderful bunch and performing beyond expectations. A big shout out to the teachers who have been tirelessly working towards making the event a very success. Thank you all once again. Thank you so much. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you for your encouragement, your support, everything. Thank you very much for our teachers, non-teaching and teaching, grandparents, everyone. Thank you for your support. So please have your dinner. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am.